How to build and maintain healthy habits. Building and maintaining healthy habits can significantly improve your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. However, developing these habits requires dedication, patience, and the right strategies. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you create and sustain healthy habits. Understanding habits. Habits are automatic behaviors that we perform with little conscious thought. They are formed through repetition and become ingrained in our daily routines over time. According to research, it takes an average of 66 days to form a new habit, but this can vary depending on the individual and the behavior. Steps to build healthy habits. 1. Start small. Begin with small, manageable changes. For example, if you want to develop a habit of exercising, start with a 10-minute walk each day, instead of committing to an hour-long workout. Small steps make the process less overwhelming and more sustainable. 2. Set clear goals. Define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Instead of saying, I want to eat healthier, set a goal like, I will eat at least 3 servings of vegetables every day. Clear goals provide direction and make it easier to track your progress. 3. Create a routine. Incorporate your new habit into your daily routine. Consistency is key to habit formation. For example, if you want to meditate daily, do it at the same time each day, such as right after waking up or before going to bed. 4. Use reminders and triggers. Set up reminders and triggers to prompt your new behavior. This could be an alarm on your phone, sticky notes, or pairing the new habit with an existing one. For instance, you could do squats every time you brush your teeth. 5. Track your progress. Keep a record of your progress to stay motivated and accountable. Use a journal, habit tracking app, or calendar to mark each day you successfully complete your new habit. Tracking helps you visualize your progress and stay committed. 6. Reward yourself. Rewarding yourself for sticking to your new habit reinforces the behavior and makes it more enjoyable. Choose rewards that support your goals, such as a relaxing bath after a week of regular exercise or a healthy treat after consistently eating well. Share your goals with a friend, family member, or support group who can help keep you accountable. Regular check-ins and encouragement from others can boost your motivation and help you stay on track. Strategies to maintain healthy habits. 1. Be patient. Understand that forming and maintaining habits takes time. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. Be patient with yourself and stay committed to your goals. 2. Adapt and adjust. Life changes, and so should your habits. If your routine changes or you face new challenges, adapt your habits to fit your new circumstances. Flexibility is essential for long-term success. 3. Stay positive. Focus on the positive aspects of your new habits and the benefits they bring to your life. Celebrate your successes no matter how small, and remind yourself why you started in the first place. 4. Learn from setbacks. Setbacks are a natural part of the process. Instead of seeing them as failures, view them as opportunities to learn and improve. Analyze what went wrong and adjust your approach accordingly. 5. Seek support. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Engage with others who share similar goals. Join support groups or seek guidance from mentors. Supportive relationships can provide encouragement and accountability. Common challenges and how to overcome them. 1. Lack of motivation. To overcome a lack of motivation, revisit your goals and remind yourself of the benefits of your new habit. Break the habit into smaller steps and focus on the immediate rewards. 2. Time constraints. If time is an issue, look for ways to integrate the habit into your existing schedule. For example, combine physical activity with daily tasks, like walking while making phone calls. 3. Boredom. Keep your habits interesting by varying your routine. Try new activities, recipes, or exercises to prevent boredom and maintain engagement. 4. Stress and overwhelm. During stressful times, it's easy to revert to old habits. Practice stress management techniques such as deep breathing, mindfulness, or talking to a friend to help stay on track. Conclusion. Building and maintaining healthy habits is a journey that requires commitment, patience, and the right strategies. By starting small, setting clear goals, creating routines, and staying accountable, you can develop habits that enhance your overall well-being. Remember to be patient with yourself and adapt your habits as needed. With persistence and support, you can achieve lasting positive changes in your life. By incorporating these strategies, you can build and maintain healthy habits that lead to a happier, healthier life.